Hey guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Minecraft error code C0010. So let's jump into it. This issue, caused by error code C0010, is mainly related to the marketplace. Unfortunately, there isn't much you can do directly, as it typically requires waiting for the server to resolve the problem itself. So you may just have to wait and try again later. However, one thing you can try is clearing the marketplace cache. To do this, open the settings in your Minecraft game, click on Storage. You will see an option to clear marketplace cache. Click on it. That's it. This should help resolve the problem. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel.